guys, welcome back to another video. I might start uploading on this game. It's a new creator. I also just want to support it. Yeah, new game. This game is called Monkey Playground. It seems like a very fun game, and it's on its first release. First look. I'll make another video and I kind of get through it all. So yeah, let's go to the shop. Okay, so I have 5 double. I got a hood. What's in here? Oh, only up. Did he actually have only up? Okay, let's actually see what's in here. Yeah, anyway, I need this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go look for the only up. I think this is supposed to be the only up. Unless there isn't one. What if I just jump? Nothing. Okay. I'm gonna start my game and see if that will bring back the only. Okay, let's see what's in here. The forest. This just now reminded me. W loading screen. It's actually very good for its first release. I actually like this game so far. So I'm guessing that's the only up. By the way, I use CapCut for my edits. If you guys wanted to know what's down here. This game is very good for its first release. I'm actually liking this game. Parkour. Okay. This game's scary-ish. Also, guys, I'm in Trinidad for Christmas. I'll be here. So that's why yeah, I'm going back to real content. I'll still be doing edits. But not as often. I did it, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go find only. Okay, well guys, see you guys later. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm in Trinidad. So I'm gonna have a second Christmas. So, please give us a. Okay. So I'll see you guys later. I'm actually happy that I'm going back to VR. See you guys later. Bye.